Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this one I'll show you how to easily transfer money to your Go2Bank account. So if you need it fast or you've got a few days, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, log into your account on the Go2Bank website or app, and then select Move Money option. And then select uh, Debit Card Transfer to link a debit card or a bank transfer to link a bank account. And so keep in mind that there are two transfer options like transfer from a debit card for fast access, but it has a 3% fee. Or if you want to transfer from another bank account, you can do it for free, though it takes about 3 business days. And if you need money first, then just select this one, debit card transfer, and it will be on your account in just a few steps. And this lets you link your debit card and get money in your account in minutes with a fee. Just follow the instructions on the screen that will be shown. Your money will be transferred in minutes. This is great for like covering overdrafts or urgent bills. And another thing to note is that if you are not in a rush, as I was saying, if you are not in a rush, then you can select bank transfer. This option is completely free and usually takes about 3 business days. And the rest of the process are same, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials you can go to this link here, go2bank.com, move money /transfer money, and the complete tutorial will be here. And thanks for watching.